You know the sense of aggravation when you're trying to build a small account and nothing seems to work. If you try countless strategies, you already witness real results. This video is for you. Today I will introduce you to the method that got me out of this stagnation and can change your game too. Let's go together, guys. There's a special surprise waiting for you. Watch until the end of the video, which you see something amazing. Guys, today we're gonna use classic candles and 30 seconds on time frame, alright? And we're gonna use two indicators, Aroon and OSMA, alright? Just added this to this. Now let's set up the Aroon. 10 on period, the style, that's up to you. Choose the best color for you to be more beautiful and wired on this. And OSMA, 14 to fast, 20 to slow, and 6 to signal SMA. The style we're gonna use a yellow as well. Alright, okay, if you get too off, we'll have to figure out how to set up that, and so let's start. Now let's start, guys, and so remember the time frame is 30 seconds, the trade time is 1 minute. My favorite trade is for sale. I press the red button and begin to explain to what the secrets of the strategy is. This first step is to find a short local correction. There's any rapid trend change. For example, here after the grow and fall began, I see several right candles and downward movement continues. After correction is found, we check the every indicator. The line should start to intersect, and can you see that has already happened on the Aroon. The true step is to check the histogram. As you can see, each new candle should be larger than previous one, and the histogram should open in the same position. As the trend, in my example, the candles fall lower and lower, it's very good general, my friends. Three-step correction, line intersection, and histogram. That's all you need to find and check an open trade. You need to open a trade in the first minute after crossing the lines. It's a line, don't cross. To open a trade, it's a line, have crossings, and 3 or 5 minutes have already passed it. It's too late, so don't open a trade. As you can see, the signal is possible, guys. 57 in the total on my account right now. It's very good and ready to continue. This was a basic explanation of how to use these tools, and I hope everything's clear to you. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. In order to avoid losing and sweat every trade in the markets, you need to have some rules and secrets. I will try to explain them in simple words. Let's go with that. And keep in mind, this is just one strategy capable of transforming your journey in this market. To truly go professional, mastering the most profitable methods in this video. But don't worry, I've got exclusive discount and pieces waiting for you that will be crucial for your success. Until then, I'm not going to explain every step of this trade because it's similar to the situation I think you already figured out how it works and just continue to work and try to give you some secrets. Rules and recommendation. First, try to look for signals on large candles. If your correction looks weak or you're not sure it's correct, it's better to skip the signal. I scroll the currencies bearish and wait for the moment and finally see 2 or 3 large candles of similar color. For example, red color or green color, reds or green candles. They are several times larger than previous one. The strong correction, the more likely to make profits. Just pay attention when intersects and the histogram, as you can see, okay? Secondly, I miss 5, maybe 7 and 10 signals. This means that in situations they are suitable for strategies. I miss main because I might be late. I might not like the trends, not like the partnering or all the reasons. Don't try to open every trade that you see. And look at that, guys. We got a profit on that. It's better situation and $39 and the total $71. That's good. So let's continue. For example, now, guys, I showed a very weak signal. Yeah, if you look at indicators, you see that I think looks good and we can work here. But the correction looks so weak. I don't even want to talk about it much. I think we can see how the signal is different from the best ones. It just looks terrible and I won't be able to make profit here. I don't know. Of course, these are binary option fast trading. Sometimes even such signals can be profitable, but it's just random trading is risk, especially in time frame of 20 seconds. So we don't do analytics. It's more like a game. If you don't know how to control yourself, you can lose. Yeah. Guys, keeping in mind the trade is money that is not afraid to lose. There are no strategies in the words that you are guaranteed to make you richer. There are fatal tales. Just try to work wisely, okay, and understand every action for that. And it's necessary to get patient, okay? And look at that, guys. Let's see what's happening. And look at this, man. We got a profit on that after all the situation. All right, so that's good. Even with a weak correction on that, as I said for you, that was a profit. Very nice. This is a good example, guys. But I give you another secret on that one right now. Okay, such strong correction can sometimes be fake. We need to pay attention to that and need to be careful. So I advise you to write some strong composites. If you see that one candle has shut up or down, it does not mean that correction has begun. You just need to wait and get sure of this. And such signals can be very shorted, as you can see right here. Yeah, you can work, but you need to be on time. It's necessary to pay attention on it. All right. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Just wait for the correction. It's a good one. That's very important. All right. Remember, that's a binary option. That is fast trading. We are using 30 seconds on time frame, just 1 minute on the expiration time. And look at this, guys. That's a profitable, guys. We just increased our amount. $34 to 122 in 10 or 15 minutes is very good. It's really good result for such strategy. I hope it was useful to you guys. Write your results in the comments. It's very interesting to me. Okay, that will be very helpful for me. So right now, guys, I wish you good luck and see you on the next video. All right. So right here on my YouTube channel, my Telegram group, and wish you good trade strategy, good profits, big profits, and wish you good, and see you soon, guys. Bye bye.